So the problem today is that hip replacements are very commonly done, but because they're made of very stiff metals, the bone around them can actually dissolve over time, or called resorb. And this is the nature of using titanium and cobalt chrome implants. And so over time, as the bone resorbs, the bone can break, or you can have difficulties. You have to reoperate on these patients. Another problem is you can get pain around the implants because these implants are so stiff. The solution that we've come up with is to design a fully porous implant that's made of a novel lattice biomaterial that allows us to make the implant approximately as stiff as the surrounding bone. And because it's no longer stiff, the bone doesn't resorb around it and the patient doesn't have any bone loss. Winning this prize will have a great importance to us. We still have some work to do in order to get the implant to its final stages so that we can commercialize it, and winning this prize would allow us to get there.